Guacamole is a rich, creamy dip with a fresh and zesty flavor. This is how I make mine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usual, the ingredients are listed in the description box below. I washed the vegetables beforehand, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into the process. I start by mashing the avocado and set it aside. Adjust the texture to your liking. You can make it smooth or leave a few chunks in as preferred. Then I chop half a small onion. I'm using red onion, but brown or white onions can work too. I add the onions to the mashed avocado. I remove the seeds from the tomato and chop it finely. This will not go to waste. I'll cook stew for dinner, so I'll add this to it. I add the tomatoes to the onions and avocado. I adjust salt and black pepper to taste and mix to combine. Once I'm happy with the taste, I squeeze and stir in the juice of half a lime. And just like that, our guacamole is ready. It makes a great spread on toasted bread and sandwiches instead of using butter or margarine. I paired this with corn chips and it was delicious. For more simple recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.